Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your French vocabulary with Duolingo, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Duolingo app from your device's app store. Open the app and create a new account or log into an existing one. Select French as the language you want to learn. Take the placement test if you're new to Duolingo, or start from the beginning if you prefer. Familiarize yourself with the interface, noting the various sections such as skills. Start with the basic skill to build foundational vocabulary and grammar. Practice daily for at least 10 to 15 minutes to create a consistent learning habit. Engage in the learning exercises, which include listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Use the tips section provided for each skill to understand grammar rules and vocabulary contexts. Explore the stories section later to reinforce your vocabulary through context. Take advantage of the practice feature to review previously learned words and phrases. Use the Duolingo podcast and other resources to immerse yourself further in the language. Join a Duolingo community or language forum to find language partners and practice conversational skills. Set specific goals for yourself within the app to track your progress. Utilize the streak feature to motivate yourself to log in daily. Challenge yourself by switching to the French interface for the app, if you're comfortable. Make use of the words section to review and reinforce vocabulary you've learned. Consider integrating Duolingo with other resources like flashcards or language books for a comprehensive learning experience. Stay patient and consistent, as vocabulary building takes time. Celebrate your progress and milestones, no matter how small, to keep your motivation high. Continue to explore different topics and skills to expand your vocabulary and understanding of the French language. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.